Did you know a simple oil change mistake could quietly destroy your engine? That's right. Something that takes 30 minutes in your driveway could cost you thousands if done wrong. Where we help everyday drivers like you take control of your car's health, save big on repairs, and drive smarter. Today I'm breaking down 11 oil change mistakes that could wreck your engine and your wallet if you are not careful. Stick around to the end because the last one is so simple it'll blow your mind, yet it causes real damage if overlooked. Think of your engine like your heart. Now imagine clogging your arteries with peanut butter. Sounds crazy, right? That's what old, gunky oil does to your engine if you're not changing it right. Let's keep that heart beating strong. 1. Skipping oil changes too long. Putting off your oil change might feel like saving money, but it's a trap. As oil breaks down, it turns into sludge, loses its lubrication power, and turns your engine into a friction-filled furnace. That heat? It warps parts like pistons, crankshafts, even the cylinder head. Suddenly, your delay becomes a $4,000 engine replacement. Alarm clock moral of the story? Don't skip, schedule. 2. Using the wrong oil. Not all oils are created equal. Your car needs a specific type and thickness called viscosity. Too thick? It won't flow right, especially in modern engines. Too thin? It won't protect your parts. Wrong oil can even mess up high-tech features like turbochargers or variable valve timing. Blue Book: always check your owner's manual before buying. 3. Not warming the engine first. Cold oil is like cold honey, thick, slow, and clingy. If you drain it cold, you leave behind gunk, sludge, and metal shavings that mix with your fresh oil. Gross. Fire run the engine for just 3 to 5 minutes before an oil change. Warm oil drains easier and cleaner. 4. Overfilling or underfilling the oil. Too much oil. It turns foamy and can cause pressure to build up, blowing out seals. Too little oil? Your engine parts grind together like sandpaper. Both can kill your engine. Straight ruler: use the dipstick and fill to the sweet spot. 5. Reusing an old oil filter. Filters catch debris, metal bits, and sludge. Reusing one is like showering with a dirty sponge. A clogged filter blocks oil flow and causes overheating, wear, and even total failure. Soap: always replace the oil filter with every change. It's cheap insurance. 6. Over-tightening the drain plug. Cranking it too hard strips, threads, or cracks your oil pan, especially if it's aluminum. That's a $500 plus mistake. Wrench: use a torque wrench and follow the manufacturer's spec. Tight, but not Hulk tight. 7. Forgetting the drain plug gasket. This little rubber ring creates a seal. Forget it or reuse a damaged one. You get slow leaks and a driveway that looks like a crime scene. She'll replace it every time. Not lubing the filter gasket. The rubber gasket on your new filter needs a little oil to seat properly. No lube? It can stick, tear, or leak over time. Lotion bottle: rub a bit of clean oil around it before installing. Done in 5 seconds. 9. Misinstalling the drain plug. Too loose and it leaks. Too tight and it damages your pan. Always double check that it's secure and seated properly. Simple. Yes. But miss it and your engine pays the price. 10. Forgetting the oil fill cap. You pour in new oil, but forget the cap? Oil sprays out while driving, oil levels drop, and dirt gets sucked in. That combo can mean contaminated oil and costly damage. Prohibited: no cap equals no protection. Always double check it's sealed before starting the engine. 11. Not resetting the oil change light. This one's sneaky. If you forget to reset it, you might lose track of when the next change is due. Over time, you could run with degraded oil without even realizing it, until it's too late. Mobile phone with arrow: follow your car's manual. It usually takes just a button or two on the dash. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. Avoid these 11 mistakes and you'll not only save money, you'll feel the pride of keeping your vehicle in top shape, all by yourself. Flexed biceps: you've got this. And we've got your back. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a chance to save money and drive smarter. See you in the next one. Waving hand.